How to fix Instagram story mention problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix Instagram story mention problem. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on account privacy. From here, make sure you have not turned on the private account. After that, from the settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down again. Tap on tags and mention. Now from here, you'll have to just tap on allow tags from everyone. Also, you'll have to turn on allow mention from everyone. After that, your problem should be fixed and your Instagram story will work for the mention. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.